Hi everybody, this is a three-part recipe, but today's recipe we're going to make some fancy fish like my mom used to make it. Let's go by cleaning some fish. Please don't ask me the name. I have no clue the name of the fish. Alright. Looking for a green seasoning? Checking the cards above. Preheat your oil. I also suggest you marinate a day before. Awesome flavor with that green seasoning. So I'm burning some garlic and some curry leaves, and once that has burnt to my satisfaction, I'm then going to add some herbs, and these are the herbs that I added. Note, you don't need to blend it. You can just leave them chunky if you like. Now I'm going to saute them for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add the green seasoning that I had marinated the fish overnight and a little bit of water. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup or ketchup to your desired taste. Then a tablespoon of cooking butter. And I'm then going to bring that to a boil, flavor it with some salt and some black pepper, then add my fish, and I'm just going to let that cook down and dry up. And this is what it looks like when it's dried up. It has thickened up, and I had this with some macaroni pie and a coconut cream pigeon peas that is coming up. Those are the 2 recipes coming up. That's what I said. This video or demo is 3 parts, so look out for those 2 other recipes. Bye.